converting multiple files into one PDF. Okay, so I noticed for the first, and this is pretty typical for every semester, where the first few assignments I get like 20 JPEGs in one submission, which is okay. I can still look at all of them, but I'm going to show you guys how to combine them into one single file. And most of you could probably do this using definitely these computers here in school, but most likely your computers at home too. If you have any of the Adobe software, if you have Adobe Acrobat, you can combine these files. But you'll certainly be able to combine them here on campus. So how you might do that. So for example, if you go over to search windows and you type in Acrobat, there we go. So you can click on Acrobat and you'll get this little pop-up that you see right here, okay? So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to, sorry, this is new software. This is different than it was last semester. Let's just see real quick. We are going to go to Create. We're gonna go to Create, and then we're gonna go to Combine Files into Single PDF, okay? So again, File, Create, Combine Files into a single PDF. So we're gonna click on that, and then from here, you can go up to Add Files, okay? And we're gonna go to Add Files. You can also do Add Folders if you have maybe a folder that has all 50 of your JPEGs in it that you wanna share. That's an option too, along with several others as well. But most of the time, you're gonna use Add Files, okay? So we're gonna go to Add Files, and then from here, I just did a couple downloads from the exercise that I just looking at, okay? So we have these 4 images here. We'll just say that's what you want to add. You can click on Open. And these are actually all JPEGs too. So whether or not you have all PDFs or JPEGs or a combination of both, that will all work fine, okay? So as long as they're a common file format, you can see all the ones that you can actually put in here. So quite a few, all right? So I'm gonna pick these 4 images, click on Open. It adds them all. And then now I can go to Combine Files, boom, boom, boom. And now this is just one file, okay? Versus having to click on multiple at one time. So as soon as you're done with that, you can go over to File, Save As, and you can save this as a single PDF, okay? A couple other options that you have is an optimized PDF. If you're having trouble with a really large file type, you can use an optimized PDF and it will make it smaller. There is one downfall though, is that it makes the quality of the file usually a lot less. So if your images that you're uploading are really, really high quality, they can usually handle it. So you're usually fine. But if you're already starting with low quality or low resolution images, it's usually not the best to do that. But if you're also using low quality images, you probably don't have to do that. So those are your 2 options. Most of the time, you're just going to go ahead and save it as a normal PDF, save it to your thumb drive, you know, exercise to Mead, whatever you save it as, okay? And you'll click Save, and you're all set. So now you have one single file versus, you know, multiple files. And we'll have lots of assignments and exercises this semester where you'll need to do that. Luckily, in a lot of the software that we're going to use when we're using InDesign, you can plot. When you plot your file, you're going to plot it as a single file anyways. But if you're starting with multiple different file formats, this is the best way to do that. Okay, so that's Adobe Acrobat on these PCs. And I just recorded